Woo! Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Fuck That Rant. And today we cooking with Mila. Nah, I see y'all back again for another Wednesday lesson. And today I'm gonna teach y'all how to cook in your RV, okay? Because we already know I'm the girl that bought the land, moved it to her RV, and we building this freedom, okay? So, it's some more bags in the car. Go grab them. Come on in. I got your plate ready for you. Come on. Oh my God. So I know a lot of people ask me, like, girl, how do you even cook inside of an RV? And look, I done put my own ways together to cook up in here, okay? So let's put these groceries up so y'all can see we got I'll call it an apartment size refrigerator. It ain't that big up in there. It really ain't that big up in there. Like, it's really, really, really tiny. And then I can't buy that many groceries when I go grocery shopping. Like, I have to be real, just buy what you cooking today and have a little extras. So majority of the stuff, like besides my lemons and stuff, I'm cooking today. So I'm gonna use these peppers. I'm making dirty cabbage. Okay? I love cabbage. I love cabbage. Y'all hear my daughter in the back? I don't want that. Okay, she in the back supposed to be doing homeschool, but she worried about what I'm cooking. Okay, that's fine with me. You want dirty rice? Why everything gotta be dirty? Because it got sausage and meat and stuff in it. You want that or not? Yeah, I want some. Okay. With peppers? I'm going to make her a side of dirty rice because she's picky. So I'm going to boil her some rice and then put her stuff in some rice and make me some cabbage. All right, so come on. Let's get the cooking started. First thing first, let's put this hair in a ponytail because I do not want no hair in my food. Okay? Do not. So we're going to slick that on back. Bow. So as you can see, there's so many different storage places. There's a storage right here underneath the sink. I don't got nothing up there I need. It's storage up here. Now if you look up, I forgot I had a crock pot. There's storage up here. It's storage right here underneath the stove. If I can get to it. Ooh, without breaking the nail. We can't get to it, y'all. But I feel like I need something underneath there. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Ooh. See, this is hard to live in an RV because everything be everywhere. All my teas. I like to keep my tea right here. My seasonings. My pots. I'm gonna use this though. I'm gonna use this to cook my cabbage down while I cook my meat in that pot. So we're gonna double team this. Let's go. Now to turn the water on around here, you gotta cut the water pump on to even clean out the pots. So me, I just always like cleaning out my pots anyway. So I like ooh, I really love cabbage. What's y'all's favorite meal to eat? Like, what's y'all's most favorite meal to cook? What's y'all most favorite meal to eat? Let me know down in the comments because I am really a cabbage girl. Like, and as a kid, I hated cabbage. And now look at me, tearing that cabbage up. Don't y'all ever buy no knife from the Dollar Tree. Like, I try to buy some knives on some quick stuff because I really don't be cooking up in here. But this knife ain't right. Not at all. Now, I ain't really tripping about my cabbage being small because I like big pieces. But, damn. Now, if y'all don't use a TikTok video to cook, you don't know how to cook for real. I'm kidding. I use TikTok to cook for real. So, let me pause that for y'all for a second. So, I use an electric stovetop. I do not fool with this propane at all, okay? I don't never use this. One day, maybe I will. Today won't be the day. I promise. I promise to God it won't be the day. So, I'm going to start cooking my stuff in here. Let me I turned that off already. I don't think I got nothing on. Hopefully my power don't cut off. I'm going to get these sausages cooked up in here first. Mind you, I'm making dirty rice, dirty cabbage. Because my daughter don't like cabbage. So we're going to mix it up for her. I'll start today. And we're using turkey sausage. Try to stay away from that pork. And then I got some turkey ground beef as well. So I feel like this going to be so good once I throw them peppers up in there, baby. You ain't gonna tell me nothing. Nothing. So, y'all, I had to pull my EcoFlow out for my hot pipe because the damn power cut off. So, now we're just going to cook it on my EcoFlow, okay? And that's the best thing about having it because you never know when shit going to go and turn off. So, now I'm just seasoning up my meat over here now. I forgot to get some tomato paste. I don't know how I forgot that. Crazy, crazy. Okay. Cartier, turn that water pump off for me. Okay. Now we about to add our peppers into our cooking. What was going on, and Monte said that they're about to jump me. I love peppers and onions, though. Even I know that you're about to snitch on somebody. I'm trying to got no cabbage. I think I'll use this to rinse some of the cabbage out too. You feel me? Hopefully some of these cook down. Okay, y'all. So we got the cabbage on there. We're going to put the top on there. I don't know where the top at to my pan, so we're going to have to just use this. Okay. I got my daughter's rice done, so she can eat. Yeah, I couldn't go to school. They had to bring the parents to school today. I couldn't do it. Okay, y'all. I think it's finished. So let's take a taste. I said, do it for the baby. You can't do it for yourself. But she's stubborn like that. One thing is missing. Some hot sauce. We need that hot sauce. Red hot to be exact. Okay, y'all. The food is finally finished. The kid ate. Okay. I had put me some rice up because I'm going to put mine on top of some rice. So, I'll do that like that. That like that. And y'all tell me in the comments, like, how y'all feel about cooking in an RV. Like, do y'all think it's too small of a space? Like, tell me how you really feel. Because me, honestly, I ain't gonna lie. If I could have anything in an RV, I would take a regular size kitchen. But since I don't cook that much, I'm not tripping. Okay, let me show y'all the final product. Okay. And y'all gonna probably always see me cooking some cabbage or some sausage. Because that's like my favorite thing. Like turkey sausage, cabbage, rice. That's like me right there. And you gotta have that red hot. Because I put that shit on everything. Literally I want to taste this out real quick with the rice. Mmm. It might not be aesthetically pleasing to y'all. It might not be. But for me, baby, it's good right here. It's real good. Okay. Let me sit down, okay? Let me sit down. Need my drink first. Is y'all bougie like me to pour some apple juice in a wine glass? Like, we can't drink today. I had a kidney stone fall out, but we sure can drink some apple juice in a wine glass. Mmm. That apple juice be so good. Like, in them glass bougie apple juice. Oh my God. Okay, let me sit down with my drink and my food and my stuff. Whew. Okay, y'all. So thank you all for coming to chill with me on this lovely Wednesday and cook a little meal with me. Sip a little apple juice with me. And y'all know what I'm about to do. I'm about to watch my shows, my crime shows. And I'm about to just relax for the night. Eat my dinner. Still pretty early out. Chill, relax, look on my phone. You know, the regular schmegular. And if y'all like videos like this and content like this, drop down in the comments what more you want to see of a girl just living in her RV like me. And I'll drop them videos for y'all. Until next time, see y'all on another episode of Fuck That Rent. Okay. Bye. Let me walk y'all to the door because y'all don't be acting like y'all know how to leave sometime. I know y'all like it over here or whatever, but come on. Let's go.